If you're preparing for the Georgia Conditioned Air Contractor License Exam Class 1, this video will show you exactly what's on the exam, which books you're tested on, and how to pass on your first try. The Conditioned Air Class 1 license allows you to design, install, repair, and maintain residential HVAC systems under 60,000 BTUs, heating, and 5 tons of cooling capacity. It's one of the most common and most failed HVAC exams in Georgia if you don't prepare correctly. So let's break it down step by step. Welcome to the One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. If you're preparing for the Georgia Air Contractor exam, then stay tuned because I'll be giving you a special discount code on all Georgia Air prep materials towards the end of this short video. The Conditioned Air Class 1 license is regulated by the Georgia State Licensing Board for Conditioned Air Contractors. This license is required if you work on residential split systems, heat pumps, furnaces, air handlers, duct systems for homes and small residential buildings. This license does not cover large commercial or industrial HVAC systems. Before you're approved to test, Georgia requires 4 years of HVAC experience. At least 2 of those years must be as a lead or supervisory technician. Experience must be verifiable and documented. Here's what you need to know about the exam itself. It is open book. It is time limited. There are no shortcuts. Navigation is everything, and questions come directly from the approved references. You are tested on system design, installation, repair, maintenance, safety, and code compliance. You are allowed and expected to use the following references: the NASCLA Contractor's Guide, the 2018 International Fuel Gas Code, the 2018 International Mechanical Code, the 2023 National Electrical Code, the Manual D, Manual J, Modern Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, OSHA, Carrier System Design Manuals, Flexible Duct Performance and Installation Standards, Train Ductulator, and the 2015 International Energy Conservation Code. Most test takers fail because they own the books, but they don't know how to use them. Expect questions on Manual J load calculations, Manual D duct sizing and airflow, fuel gas piping and venting, refrigeration cycles and components, electrical requirements, HVAC system design limitations, Class 1 scope, energy efficiency and IECC compliance, and OSHA job site safety, installation clearances, and code references. The biggest mistake is thinking it's open book, I'll just look everything up. That doesn't work. You will not have time to search blindly. Passing contractors know which book the answer is in, know where in the book to look, and practice under time conditions. Start studying before your application is approved. Here's a proven strategy. Use highlighted and tabbed books for fast navigation. Practice exam-style questions, not just reading. Learn Manual J and D calculations cold, and don't ignore business and law concepts. Train for speed and accuracy, not memorization. The exam rewards strategy, not just experience. At One Exam Prep, we help Georgia Air Contractors prepare with practice exams, online self-study courses, live virtual classes, and highlight and tab reference materials. Our goal is simple: help you pass efficiently and get licensed faster. No two contractors study the same way. That's why One Exam Prep offers multiple exam prep options designed to fit every learning style, schedule, and budget. Whether you want quick practice or a complete done-for-you solution, here's how to choose the right package. You can go with practice questions. This option is perfect if you already have the experience and you just need getting familiar with the exam format. Online course. The online course walks you through every exam topic step by step. It's ideal if you want structure, explanations, and guided instruction without needing a live class. Book set. The book set includes the official reference materials approved for the exam. This is the foundation of any book set because if it's not in your books, you won't find it in the exam. Highlight and tab book set. This is a game changer. Your books arrive professionally highlighted tabs so you can find answers fast under exam pressure. No guessing, no flipping, just efficient navigation. Book rental. If you want to save money, book rental gives you temporary access to the required exam books without the full purchase price. Perfect if you only need them for a short window. The Ultimate Package combines practice questions, online course, highlight and tab books, application service into one powerful system. This is our most popular option because it covers content strategy and materials in one place. And finally, the One Package is the all-access solution. The One Package is the all-in-one, done-for-you solution, includes everything: study materials, exam strategy, guidance, including setting up your business, and full support from start to finish. If you want to remove the guesswork and focus on passing, this is it. No matter where you're starting, One Exam Prep has a path that fits you. Choose the package that matches your experience, timeline, and goals, and let's get you licensed. Use code GA10AIR at checkout for 10% off any of these products. If you want to pass the Georgia Conditioned Air Class 1 contractor exam on your first try, the right prep makes all the difference. With the correct books, proven strategies, and realistic practice questions, you can walk into the exam confident and prepared. For Georgia HVAC exam prep practice questions online course and highlighted in tab books, visit oneexamprep.com. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Georgia contractor licensing guidance.